Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix internet speed in Windows 11 taskbar, how to show internet speed, how to display speedometer of internet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Chrome browser, copy the link from description and paste it. Click enter. Click on v1.84.1. On the next page, click on traffic monitor, download it. Open the downloaded file, extract it on desktop. Folder will appear. Open it. You will find trafficmonitor.exe. Right click Run as administrator and the speed meter will appear. Right click on Show Taskbar window. Right click on Show Main window. That's it. Thanks for watching.